Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Subaru Impreza using an easy method. First, always prioritize safety by finding a large, empty space, like an abandoned parking lot, far from any people or other vehicles. Make sure your car is in excellent working order. Understanding how weight shifts and how to manage your throttle are crucial first steps before attempting any maneuvers. To begin, approach your chosen turn at a moderate speed, perhaps around 25 to 30 miles per hour. As you enter the turn, briefly lift your foot off the accelerator. This shifts the car's weight forward. Immediately after, turn the steering wheel sharply and give a quick, firm press on the throttle to get those rear wheels sliding.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these drifting tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for your ride. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once the rear of your Subaru starts to slide, you'll need to react quickly. Countersteer by turning the wheel in the direction of the slide. Use the throttle to control how much the car slides and its speed. Remember to always look where you want the car to go, not directly at the sliding rear end or any potential obstacles. As you near the end of your drift, it's time to bring the car back under control smoothly. Gradually ease off the throttle, reducing the power to the wheels. At the same time, gently unwind your counter-steering input, allowing the front wheels to straighten. Smoothness is key here to avoid any sudden jerks or spinning out completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.